अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर वतम्मिम बिल खैर वबिका नस्तईनु या फत्ताहु या फत्ताहु या फत्ताहु अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। I hope and pray that you all are doing good, inshallah. In this lesson, lesson 78, we are going to discuss another topic, noon of tawqeed. This is noon of emphasis, and it comes after present tense, commanding form, and forbidding form. So this noon comes to emphasize for the emphasis in the action, to emphasize the action, and it comes in present, commanding, and forbidding fail. So, well, what is this noon taqeed? Not like again the same thing over here. Here that this noon taqeed, which is noon of emphasis, occurs only with mudare, nahi, and amr. Okay, and this is a noon which is attached to the end of fi'l mudare to emphasize the action, and this is often accompanied by lam taqeed. So noon taqeed comes at the end of the present tense, and lam taqeed comes in the beginning of that present tense. Okay, so mostly there are two level of emphasis over there, with lam taqeed lam taqeed at the beginning of the present tense, and noon taqeed at the end of the present tense. And it is important to note that a fail that has a noon or taqeed will always translate in future tense, okay, which will always be translated in the future tense. So whenever we see noon or taqeed, a fail mudare, a present tense or fail nahi with noon or taqeed, we are going to translate that sentence in future tense, okay. Okay, so there are two types of noon or taqeed. Two level of emphasis are there. So one noon is added at the end of the fail. If one noon is added at the end of the fail, or you can say if there is a sukoon on the noon or taqeed, that is called noon khafifa. Okay, noon khafifa or light noon of emphasis, the light noon of emphasis. So if the noon at the end of the fail mudare has sukoon on it, then it's a noon khafifa. The second level, the highest level, is that if the noon taqeed has shadda on it. Okay, if the noon taqeed that is coming at the end of the fi'l mudare has shadda on it, or you can say there are two noon at the end of the fi'l mudare, then that noon is the heavy noon or saqila, noon saqila. Okay. Noon khafifa came in the Quran only twice. The examples for noon khafifa we have in Quran is only two. There are only two examples, while the heavy noon of emphasis, like which is noon saqila, occurs countless times. So that's why in this notes, in this dream book notes, main focus is on noon saqila, the heavy noon. Okay, let me first erase all these and then go to the next slide. The next slide is from my Urdu recording, and here is the Sarf Kabir of Noon Saqila. Noon Saqila. Why? Because you can see that there is shadda on the noon everywhere. Shadda. Okay. So what happens in Noon Saqila? If you remember the Sarf Kabir of Nasara, so huwa present tense Sarf Kabir, huwa yansuru, huma yansurani, hum yansuruna. Okay, so huwa yansuru. So in huwa form, what happens? We need to add noon sakila. So in huwa form, the dhamma, which is originally there was dhamma. This dhamma is the original dhamma which was there, yansuru, is converted to fatha. Okay, fatha, and then noon shadda is added. So it becomes yansuranna. Huwa yansuranna. So it becomes yansuranna. Why? Because to differentiate from plural form, yansuruna. Because yansuruna, there was wow over here. Okay, yansuruna. So to replace this wow, this dhamma, we keep this dhamma there. Okay, so now with this, now with this dhamma, we can say that this is whom. The file over here is whom, plural. Okay, so whom yansuruna. This dhamma tells us that this is yansuruna siga, not huwa siga. Yansuru, not yansuru. It is yansuruna. So this dhamma tells us that this is yansuruna. So the same way, whom, like in siga home and antum, because ta beginning una ending is antum, and ya beginning una ending is whom, right? So in both these siga, you will find dhamma on the letter just before nun shadda. Dhamma on the letter just before nun shadda. So hum yansurunna, this is the hum form, and antum tansurunna is antum form. Coming back to huwa, remember there's a group within fi'l mudari. The group which in its original form, marfu form, the group ends in damma. Huwa yansuru, hiya tansuru, anta tansuru, ana ansuru, and nahnu nansuru. These are what? Af'alul arba, 5 in your pocket. So what happens with 5 in your pocket when you add noon shadda at the end of this group? Let me highlight this group. When you add noon shadda to this group, the letter just before noon shadda takes fatha. Okay, so huwa yansuru becomes huwa yansuranna. Hiya tansuru becomes hiya tansuranna. Okay, anta tansuru becomes anta tansuranna. Ana ansuru becomes ana ansuranna. And nahnu nansuru becomes nahnu nansuranna. Okay, so that's how this happens in this group. Which originally ends in Dhamma. So Dhamma gets replaced with the Fatha and the Nun Shadda is added at the end. Okay. In dual form, you just add extra Nun. Like Yansurani becomes Yansurani. Okay. Tansurani becomes Tansurani. So you just add one Nun over here. Okay. And in Hunna and Antunna form, it becomes Yansurnani and Tansurnani. Okay, Yansurnani and Tansurnani. And in Anti form, you know, originally it is Anti Tansurina. So Ya is dropped, but this Kasra is there to show that this is Anti, not Anta. Okay, to show this is Anti. So it becomes Anti Tansurinna. So whenever you see these Nun Shadda Fi'l Mudari in Quran, what you need to see, the first letter, the symbol of Mudari, so that you know which siga it is, and to know the siga, you need to see the harka on this letter, the letter just before Nun Shadda. Okay, so you can differentiate which siga it is, inshallah. So this is how the Sarf Kabir of present tense with Nun Shadda, Nun Saqila. Nun Shadda is Nun Saqila, and when there's Sukun on Nun, then it is Nun Khafifa. So what did you learn on the previous slide is that, like, when the original fail has wow in hum and antum, as part of the ending of hum and antum, it is replaced with a dhamma when the noon is added. Okay, when the original present tense ends in dhamma, in huwa, hiya, anta, ana, nahnu, 5 in your pocket, then it is replaced with a fatha when the noon is added. Okay, so this is the thing that you just saw in the previous slide. Okay, so this is the principle that was there, or the summary of the slide. And this is another way of in this like Sarf Saghir, you can see that fa'ala fail instead of nasara. Over here the root letter is fa'ala, and the lam of ta'kid is also added. So huwa la yaf'alanna, and in hum siga la yaf'alunna. That's the same thing. And like taf'alanna, af'alanna, naf'alanna. So this is the af'alul arba, 5 in your pocket. And then musanna yaf'alani, taf'alani. So like the dual siga are like this, and hunna and tunna same. Over here in this chart, only the root letter is different, and the lam of emphasis is also added. This is noon taqid khafifa, when there's sukoon on the extra noon taqid, when there's sukoon. So in noon khafifa, only eight siga are there. The musanna siga are not there, and hunna and antuna are not there for noon khafifa. Only 8 sigas are there, like huwa, hiya, anta, anti, ana, nahnu, and hum and antum. So this is about noon khafifa, the light noon. And here are example. And now when you see these present tense with noon sakhila, what you need to do, you need to pay attention to the first letter of the fi'l, the symbol of mudare, as well as the last letter harakat, the haraka on the letter just before the noon shadda. Okay, so this is noon shadda, and this is lam of emphasis. What is the first letter? Noon. Okay, la nukhrijannakum. Okay, so lam is lam taqid. Symbol of mudari is na, noon. So it's nahnu sigha. And we can see that over here on the letter just before noon shadda, which is jim, jim has fatha. So this is nahnu sigha. Okay, lanukhrijannakum. We will definitely expel you. Lanukhrijannakum. Kum is maf'ul bihi. Okay, min ardina, from our land, or you la ta'udunna. La lam is lam of emphasis and ta'udunna. So ta beginning and what ending? Look, this is dhamma. So it means originally it was una. Ta beginning, una ending. So this is antum. So or you all will definitely come back. You all will definitely turn back to our religion. Fi millatina, our to our religion. So we will definitely expel you all from our land, or you will definitely come back to our religion. So lanukhrijanna, and look, the translation is in future tense. We will definitely, and you all will definitely come back or turn back to our religion. Okay, now latunabbi'annahum bi amrihim haza. So lam is again lam taqid, and tunabbi'anna, ta beginning, and this is Nun Shadda. So the letter just before Nun Shadda is Hamza. Hamza has Fatah. So Ta beginning and Hamza has Fatah. It means this is either Anta or here. Over here, this is Anta. So Latunabbi annahum. You will most definitely, most surely inform them. Them, why? Because whom is maful bihi. Inform them bi amrihim haza, of this matter of theirs. This matter of theirs. So and one more thing that you can see is that the family la nukhrijanna. So nukhrijanna has dhamma. So this is bab family 4, bab aslama yuslimu nukhrijanna, and this one is tunabbi anna is nabbiya, right? So this is like family 2, and this one ta'udunna is family 1. Okay, what did you learn? That whenever you see present tense with a noon shadda, you first identify the noon shadda and then see the, fir- uh, mm, the first letter, identify the first letter and see the haraka on the letter just before noon shadda. So you will learn which you will see you will see which siga it is and how you are going to translate. Now we are moving on to forbidding form. When noon shadda, noon taki, not noon shadda, noon taki can be like noon khafifa and noon sakila both. So when noon taqid is added to forbidding fail, the nahi can be emphasized to convey the meaning don't you dare. And for the second person, obviously, because this is fail nahi, and fail nahi comes with uh, second person sigat. Okay, so it will translate as don't you dare, or if with the third person fail nahi, it comes with X should not do at all. Well, that comes with lamu amr. But that is not forbidding. That is a separate. That is separate. So should not. Someone should not do at all. And this fail is the same way it is the noon of emphasis is added. And over here, the lam taqid is not there. Lam in the beginning because already la nahiya, la forbidding is there. So anta la tam suranna. Anta is with fatha. Anta form is with fatha. Anti form is with kasra. Anti la tansurinna. And antuma, both antuma are the same like la tansurani. Antum is tansurunna, la tansurunna. And antunna is tansurnani, la tansurnani. Okay, so this is like Sarf Kabir of Fail Nahi Muakkad, forbidding. Noon Taqid with forbidding fail. Over here, وَلَا تَحْسَبَنَّ اللَّهَ غَافِلًا أَمَّا يَعْمَلُ الظَّالِمُونَ. How it is translated, don't you dare think, don't ever think that Allah is unaware of the wrongdoers. So over here, this is anta, ta beginning, and this the letter before noon has fatha. So ta beginning and letter before noon is fatha. So this is anta with la tahsabanna, don't you ever think, don't you dare think. And over here in the next example, فَلَا تَغُرَّنَّكُمُ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا. The don't the life of this dunya, or the lowest life, should not at all deceive you. And you is you means you all. Okay, so over here taghurrannakum. Which siga over here? It is antum or what? Ta beginning, and the letter just before this noon shadda is ra, and ra has fatah. So this is either here or anta. La taghurrannakum la taghurrannakumul hayatud dunya. Actually, this is not la taghurrannakumul hayatud dunya. This is not amr. This is like because the doer of here over here is hayatu dunya. So this is not forbidding. This is here form. The lowest life should not at all deceive you all. Okay, so these are examples we are going to discuss inshallah in the live session. So you have present tense with noon saqila, la yansuranna. He will definitely help. And the ayah from the Quran, then tadkhulanna, and again ayah from the Quran. So these examples we are going to discuss and see if you can identify the siga over here. Okay, inshallah. These are we are going to do in the live session, and this is the exercise. Inshallah, we'll do at the end of the session, live session. So this is about noon taqid, which comes at the end of present tense, commanding and forbidding. So that's the end of the of today's lesson. Let me end the video with dua. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.